Bro, you won't believe what just happened.
If it's another story about you fighting with your microwave, I'm not listening.
Okay, first of all, the microwave started it.
Sure it did.
But listen, I saw my crush in public today.
Okay, W, did you say hi?
No, I panicked.
So what did you do?
Pretended to be a mannequin in the store.
You what?
I froze. Full department store pose, arms out, zero movement.
That's not smooth, bro. That's terrifying.
No, bro, it worked. They actually looked at me and said, wow, that mannequin is ugly. Moral of the story, never leave the house again.
Or maybe just say hi like a normal human?